today. It's about 8:05, getting a later start today. We're headed out to Ubud today, doing Goa Gajah, the Elephant Temple, as well as some of the local rice terrace, the Kopi Luwak coffee, and doing a few other things. So keeping it local. We're going to be back around 4:30 so that we can get ready for dinner at the Kubu at Mandapa at the Ritz-Carlton property, and that's it, 6:30. So busy day ahead. Oh, that was awesome. Went through the monkey forest. I had one jump on me, climb up my back, and it was awesome.
I'm pretty happy that didn't happen to me and happened to him instead, because his facial expressions when things jump on him is hilarious.
It's so much fun though.
It's a beautiful park. Lots of monkeys, even when there aren't a lot of monkeys.
Lots of monkeys. They're very playful. We didn't have them try to steal anything.
But keep your belongings close.
Yeah. Keep a tight grip on the cell phone.
Yes.
Don't want them taking that. This guy like needs a cigar, like a martini up on you.
To be forklift back up.
we're at Tegallalang.
Tegallalang.
So we're at the rice terraces of Tegallalang. Tegallalang. It's not that. It's very difficult. We're at the rice terraces near Ubud.
I feel like this compilation videos are just like our tour guides correcting Eddie how
I
to
know.
pronounce things.
I can't pronounce anything, and I really apologize to anybody from Indonesia, Bali especially, also Cambodia, Japan, China, and Singapore.
Look how awesome this is.
For my mispronunciations, but this view is phenomenal. A lot of stairs up and a lot of stairs down. This is the country of many stairs, but it's worth it, right? Tiring, but worth it. Tastes pretty good. Tastes like coffee.
And that is your honest response, ladies and gentlemen.
No, it tastes good. It tastes, I don't know. I think I like regular coffee better.
I don't like coffee.
All right, Alex, take one.
Tastes like coffee.
What did you think of Balinese coffees?
I liked all the flavored ones. Like the vanilla and the chocolate.
How about the coffee flavor?
Not so much. But I don't like coffee, so it's kind of an unfair question.
This is true. All right, so we are all freshened up and ready for our dinner at Kubu at the Mandapa Ritz-Carlton Reserve. But get a look at Alex. Turn around, walk backwards for me. Damn! Thank you very much.
Are you happy with this table?
Absolutely.
Oh my god,
This
how
is
can you not be?
incredible.
You have to be a terrible person.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So,
We just got back from the best restaurant we've ever been to.
and we don't throw that around lightly because we love to eat.
Yes, we do. At home, that would have been easily $350 a person,
Probably.
just for the food.
So if you're willing to splurge a little bit in Bali and you want kind of a unique or even romantic candlelight set dinner, go check it out.
Yes, and they do have an a la carte menu as well, but the set menu is definitely.
It Good night.
Good night.